There are some places that announce themselves long before you arrive. Hanoi Silk Village is not one of them. Surrounded by apartment blocks, busy roads and the everyday rhythms of suburban life, it will be easy to pass by without a second thought. As I leave the main road behind and wander further into the village, a different sound begins to emerge. At first it's faint, almost hidden beneath the traffic. Then it grows louder. The steady clatter of silk looms echoes from a distance. The rhythmic pounding seems to drift from open workshops and hidden courtyards. A reminder that behind these ordinary facades, traditional crafts are still very much alive. For centuries, silk production has been part of life here. While much of Hanoi has transformed around it, the village continues to produce fabrics using skills passed down through generations. There is something very reassuring about hearing those looms at work. The streets reward those who wander slowly. Shop fronts spill onto the pavement, creating a tapestry of colour and texture beneath the old facades. Silk dresses flutter in the breeze, while scarves, embroidered garments, and finely tailored shirts hang in vibrant shades of red, blue, gold, and pastel. Around every corner, another display beckons, drawing the eye deeper into this world of craftsmanship and tradition. For 2 hours I drifted through the village with no particular plan. Sometimes the most enjoyable travel experiences are not the grand monuments or famous landmarks, but the places in between. Places where everyday life unfolds at its own pace. Places where tradition survives quietly, not as a performance for visitors, but as a part of the fabric of daily life. As I leave the village behind, the sound of the looms gradually fades into the distance. The apartment blocks return, the traffic grows louder, and modern Hanoi resumes its familiar rhythm. Yet for a while, hidden amongst the city-expanding suburbs, I stepped into a different world. A world woven from silk, sustained by craftsmanship, and carried forward by the steady hands of those who continued the work of the generations before. Would I recommend a trip to Van Phuc Silk Village? Yes, I would.